When it comes to cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, AI, is undeniably a double-edged sword. It serves as a reliable solution for cybersecurity professionals while also having the ability to become a tool in the hands of attackers. However, given the digital world's extraordinary speed, AI technologies appear to be a viable solution for fighting complex assaults. That's why 61% of businesses believe that they wouldn't be able to detect hacking efforts without AI. The advancements in AI and machine learning are keeping up with the demands of the hour. Its real-time data and analytics capabilities are attracting a vast number of businesses. Even with such a huge success rate, AI is rarely assessed in terms of its profit and cost-cutting potential. In 2020, this practice will be phased away. So, before we understand various AI cybersecurity challenges, let's know what is cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity? The technique of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from hostile intrusions is known as cybersecurity. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. The phrase has a wide range of applications, from business to mobile computing. AI cybersecurity challenges. Despite advances in cybersecurity, attacks are growing more dangerous. The following are the most significant cybersecurity challenges. IT systems that are geographically dispersed. Manual threat detection. Cybersecurity is reactive in nature. Hackers frequently disguise their IP addresses and alter them. Reliable AI solutions. It's critical for businesses to realize that AI still has a long way to go before it can be used as a standalone cybersecurity solution. For the time being, the best solution is to combine AI with traditional methods. Here is an outline of reliable AI solutions to help you achieve effective security standards. Hire cybersecurity experts with specialized knowledge. Have a cybersecurity expert evaluate systems and networks for vulnerabilities and address them before they become a problem. Block harmful links that may include viruses or malware using URL filtering and reputation-based protection services. Block malware and viruses with firewalls and malware scanners. Keep an eye on the outgoing traffic and use egress filters to limit it. Analyze cyber risks and security protocols to acquire useful information that can be used to develop a more secure response to cyber attacks. Update your organization's existing systems to include new technology like AI and ML. Conducting regular hardware and software audits to check the health of the system should be a top priority. Consider teaching and training your personnel about cyber attacks. Encourage and reward the development of new applications. Impact of AI cybersecurity challenges. AI has a lot planned for the coming year, so here are some expectations from industry insiders. Asset management will benefit from AI and ML. Maintaining system software and applications may be the responsibility of an IT management team, but it is inextricably linked to an organization's security. Even the kind of network activities that run and the amount of network bandwidth consumed are IT management issues, but they can have a significant impact on an organization's security. By merging these issues into a single unit, AI technology can solve these challenges. Endpoint security will be more resilient as AI and machine learning are used to manage assets. Using artificial intelligence to detect potential cyber risks. AI-powered tools aid in the collection and analysis of a wide range of datasets. To detect potential cyber risks, these technologies extract data from static, dynamic, and real-time logs. As AI solutions advance, the results produced by these technologies will become more precise than previously. Cyber criminals are attempting to mimic human behavior. Threat actors, particularly state-sponsored actors, will become more reliant on artificial intelligence, AI, to decode companies' protection mechanisms. They can potentially intrude on the system by simulating behavioral patterns. This information is sufficient to use analytics to get unauthorized access to the security infrastructure via a clever attack. Security operations are becoming automated. With such a large amount of data and a finite quantity of resources, AI can tackle both problems by automating a variety of security tasks. Calculating the magnitude and severity of the cyber threat is critical for effective response. We require AI solutions to handle the challenge of security operations becoming a large data problem. Using AI to defend AI. Hacking tactics are being improved by highly skilled criminal networks, who are employing artificial intelligence to exploit user behavior or security flaws. All of these attacks have put businesses in a bind. To operate, an attacker only needs one vulnerability, whereas businesses must lock all of their doors. Human intervention will not be enough to thwart these sophisticated attacks. Businesses must invest in AI technologies to compete. Conclusion: AI is quickly becoming a must-have tool for improving the performance of IT security teams. Humans can no longer scale to adequately safeguard an enterprise-level attack surface. Thus AI provides much-needed analysis and threat detection that security professionals can use to reduce breach risk and improve security posture. Furthermore, AI can assist in identifying and prioritizing risks, directing incident response, and detecting malware assaults before they occur. Despite its drawbacks, AI will help enterprises improve their cybersecurity posture. If you're looking for a VPN tool to secure your data and network accounts, Onpassive's O Virtual is a viable solution. To learn more about the tool, please contact us. A Bill Must Production.